If you're involved in a motor vehicle accident here in the state of Delaware, it's extremely important that you contact a qualified, experienced attorney to handle your claims for a number of reasons. When we bring you into the office, we sit down and we take a comprehensive interview and intake from you, outlining everything associated with your accident. But then we begin to develop your case. We get the police report information, we get the insurance company information, we get the defendant's information, any potential witnesses, and so forth that will assist us in handling your claim. And there are a number of reasons we get all these pieces of information, because they will ultimately help us and assist us in settling your claim for what you're entitled to. And in Delaware, the minimum coverage for the payment of collectively medical bills and wage loss is $15,000. Now, you can contact your insurance company and you can ask them to provide you with additional coverage, but in Delaware, you need to know that the minimum per person is $15,000. And collectively, it's $30,000 per accident. So if it's just one person in the car, the maximum amount that one person can receive is $15,000, but they cannot get the full amount of $30,000. But assuming there are multiple people in the car, say 3, 4, 5 people involved in the car accident, the collective amount for everybody is $30,000. That's the complete pot of money that you're entitled to, but no one person can get more than $15,000. And again, that includes medical bills and it includes wage loss. But as far as wage loss is concerned, you need 2 additional forms. One being from your doctor saying that you're disabled, so it's a disability note. And there's another form that needs to go to your employer showing how much you make, how much you earn, how many hours you work, and what days of work you were out. Once they receive those 2 additional forms, then they will go ahead and process your wage loss claim. If any insurance companies contact you throughout that process, our suggestion is that you don't have any contact with them whatsoever, unless you contact us and we give you an authorization to speak with them directly. Some issues that you may want to address directly with them, and we would discuss that with you, one being property damage coverage. In the event that your car is damaged in the accident, obviously you need to get an estimate on the car. There are rental concerns to be addressed, and sometimes it's more expedient for you to contact them directly and interface directly with them. But as far as your injuries are concerned, our suggestion is you never have any contact with the insurance company, give no statements, do not sign anything unless you speak with us directly. So throughout the process, we suggest that you keep a diary from week to week, month to month, on what doctors you're seeing, what treatment you're undergoing. My back is getting better, my neck is getting worse, I'm taking these medications, I can't sleep, I can't do this particular activity, I can't go play golf, I can't get to the gym. At the end of your case, it'll help organize your thoughts. And in the event that we're ever in court in a few years, it'll help refresh your recollection on everything that you went through, everything that you felt, everything that you were concerned about. It'll also help you organize your thoughts as far as what your out-of-pocket expenses were throughout the process. Because once we go to the point where we try to settle your case, we only get one bite at the apple. So we want to be complete and accurate about the entire thing. Because once you settle your claim and you accept the settlement, that's the end of your case. Whether or not something else develops down the road or something else serious develops, again, your claim will be extinguished completely at that point. All claims are handled on a contingent basis, so nothing ever comes out of your pocket. So throughout the process, our firm expends the cost on your behalf when we request medical records, medical reports, which can get very expensive. And in the event that we ever have to go to court, we may have to bring your doctor to court to testify on your behalf, and that may run thousands and thousands of dollars. So those are the expenses that we expend on your behalf. So once we settle your case, we would recover our costs, we would recover our fee, it's a contingent fee. So again, in the event that we don't get you anything, you don't owe us anything, and then you would get the rest. Please contact me. My name is Joseph Jachetti. Our firm is Schuster & Jachetti. The office number is 302-984-1000. And if you need some additional information, the website is www.myDelawarelawyer.com. Thank you.